Hi, today I want to share my test result of LTX 2.3 Distilled 1.1. What I've done is basically I go to the Hugging Face to download the model, the Distilled 1.1. I will link this in the description. I've got only 8GB of VRAM, so I got the GGUF. The model I've downloaded is the Q5KM. Because I have been using this version, so I just want to have the same one to compare. What I have done is I just use my 4 keyframes workflow. You can find this in my older video, so I don't want to go through the workflow again because I have not changed much. The only thing is I added a note here. So this is the Distilled 1.1 and this is the old one, also Q5KM GGUF. Then I run it through, one with the new Distilled 1.1 and one with the old version, with the same seed and same prompt. Probably you didn't see much difference in the intro, but let's go through the video. This is my intro video. I just want to go through the video slowly and show you the difference between two versions. So at the beginning, you can see the girls are giving high five. Look at this here. At the moment, she's using the left arm. And all of a sudden, she changed to the right arm and the left arm is here. And on the left-hand side, still okay. So that was a minor fraud. And now, a little bit different here. He's moving the arm up. And now, there's another keyframe here. So both are the same. Now if you look at this closely, he's lifting the leg really high. She's also lifting the leg here. So the dynamics is much better on the left hand side. Now moving to here. So you can see all turn to the left and they are standing static here. So this is very good here. I think the motion is much better on the Distilled 1.1. It's more energetic. And go to the end here. Now you can see they turn to the left. And you pay attention. They turn to the left more than on the right hand side. Look at her here. She's barely looking at the left. And now go slowly. Here you can see all of them turn to the left. And here they are facing the front. Okay, so basically that was the intro video. It's a slightly different, but I want to show you something very important. What it has improved. So basically what I did here, I want the spin on the spot, but somehow the LTX doesn't like spin. I have to use a turn 360 degree. It does spin sometimes, but it's very hard to get it to spin. So let's have a look at the beginning here. You can see they close the legs and they start spinning. I did specify all dancer turn 360 degrees, but as you can see on the right hand side, only the man in the middle is turning, and also it's doing the typical AI fraud. You can see the face is here, and now there's a face on the other side. That's not good. You can see here, but on the right hand side everything is okay. You can see here they spin 360 degrees. So just go backward to let you see it here. On the right hand side, pay attention there. So there's a face on the back, and that's totally wrong. Okay, and I really like this because this is not acceptable, the face on the back. Yeah, in this case, I think Distilled 1.1 has improved a lot. I will keep using it. So I think that's all about my video with the test result. I hope you enjoy it. If you like it, please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Bye.
There are more videos to watch, or you can subscribe and we'll never miss a future video.